Sounds like the detective will be busy with the Joker for a while. Good. Gives this kitten some time to play. So what next? Help tall, brooding, and handsome? Or help myself do all the loot Professor Strange has locked up in that vault of his? I know. Difficult choice, right? What will it be? Find Croc and have him rip a hole into the vault? Ask Penguin for some explosives? Not my style. I always prefer a woman's touch in these situations. Stay where you are, Ivy. I'm coming to get you. I need to get my kit from my apartment. No way I could face Ivy without my things. I'd be naked without them.
Catwoman! Look out! Come on, there's a fight going down. Get over here, cat. Or are you scared? Get over here, cat. Fight me. It's the little cat. I see you're too scared to face me. So that's it. Yeah, run!
Yeah, he'll regroup, find a way to take over.
How can you be sure? If you're wrong, we can get strung up by Joker, or Penguin, or one of the others.
Well, how are we supposed to find out where she lives, anyway?
Two-Face said she lives somewhere near here.
So what? How does he know?
How am I supposed to know? I don't question the boss. You shouldn't either.
I know. Well, how can... Catwoman!
Catwoman's here! There's some kind of fight going on over there. doesn't think.
Just need to be careful. We move when they fight. We're too busy killing each other to notice us coming back to the camp.
I don't understand why they want to fight for this place.
It's good to be home.
Arkham City provides regular food drops at designated points throughout the day.
Okay, Selena, time to find Ivy. Let's hope she's forgiven me. Of course she has. She wouldn't hold a grudge.
Food is distributed fairly.
Joker's a maniac, but Penguin is worse. He can't take over.
I hate all this freaking snow.
Poison ivy. Ain't seen that crazy chick since back at the asylum.
Look out! It's the cat! There's some kind of fight going on over there.
The containment wall surrounding Arkham City is designated out of bounds to all prisoners. Do not approach the containment wall.
Well, what do we have here? Weird out-of-place plants, check. Mindless hypnotized henchmen, check. The oh-so-subtle odor of rotting pumpkins, check. Looks like I've found the entrance to Ivy's lair.
What the? Think you can hide from me? Grenade! Grenade! What? Catwoman's over here! Over here! I found Catwoman! She's running! New plan. We search the room for the bitch. Look everywhere. We'll find her, and when we do, she's dead. You're not getting past me again!
Hello? Ivy? You here?
You shouldn't have come here.
Oh, come on. You're not seriously going to hold that against me forever, are you?
You killed them all!
They were just flowers, Ivy. I'll buy you some new ones. I know a place that... Come on, Red. Can't we just... Oh, for the love of... Hey, Pammy, here's an idea. If you want a boyfriend, how about trying the dating route? Beats this voodoo.
I will love whoever kills this woman forever. You can't outrun nature, Selena. My spores will fill your lungs and kill you from within.
You done, Red?
I've spent weeks perfecting the toxins that will destroy your pathetic meat sack of a body. Do you really think you can beat Mother Nature?
Are we done yet, Ivy? I just want to talk, that's all.
If you're still breathing, it's not over.
She's consistent, I'll give her that.
1 billion microorganisms will enter your bloodstream. Spores will grow, replacing the blood in your veins. And when I'm done, your flesh will be replaced with bark.
Look, Red, I just need your help.
Never.
Not again.
You've got some nerve, Selena.
Get back here, Harley.
And I want to know who he is, sweetie.
No one's who you think they are, my dear. Why spoil the fun?
It was all a lie. There's nothing wrong with you.
Nice of you to say, but you of all people should know there's plenty wrong with me. Take my blood, for example. I wish somebody would. This stuff is killing me.
Why should I care?
Because now there's a teeny little bit of me in you too, Bats. Oh, come on. Don't tell me it's not what you've always wanted. Look, we're running out of time. I need your help. I nearly had a cure. It was so close, and then it was taken from me.
So we both die. I'm fine with that.
Are you? Imagine sucking down that last breath knowing that Gotham is doing the same.
What are you talking about?
Oh, didn't I say? I've spent weeks shipping samples of my blood to emergency rooms all over the city.
So that's Protocol 10. Poison Gotham. I expected more.
Protocol 10? Never heard of it. Hold tight. I'll be in touch!